In the world of finance, wealth advisors are the unsung heroes, orchestrating the symphony of your financial future. At Davies Wealth Management, we redefine wealth advisory by going beyond mere investment management. Our advisors craft personalized financial roadmaps tailored to your unique goals and life circumstances. Whether you're a professional athlete with a short career span or a high net worth individual seeking tax optimization, we provide strategic solutions for every scenario. Our expertise extends to sophisticated investment management, retirement planning, and tax strategies. We don't just react to market changes, we anticipate them, ensuring your financial strategies remain optimal. From estate planning to business succession, our advisors offer comprehensive services that preserve and grow your wealth. What sets us apart? It's our holistic approach, ongoing relationships, and anticipatory strategies. We stay ahead of trends, adapting swiftly to changes and providing proactive management. At Davies Wealth Management, we are committed to building, protecting, and transferring your wealth with confidence, ensuring your financial success for generations to come.